In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate emails from Microsoft 365 to Google Workspace. By the end, you'll know how to use Google's built-in data migration service to move mail from Microsoft 365 into Gmail for your organization, quickly and safely. First, sign in to the Google Admin Console with an administrator account. You'll want super admin privileges for this process, and it helps to have your Microsoft 365 admin credentials handy as well. Once you're in the admin console, look for the section labeled Data. This is where Google centralizes tools for importing and exporting information. Open Data, then choose Data Import and Export. From there, select Data Migration. This is the service we'll use to pull email directly from Microsoft 365 into Google Workspace. Next, choose the option to migrate data from Microsoft. This tells Google the source system is Microsoft 365, also known as Exchange Online. When the wizard opens, click Migrate to start a new migration task. You'll be prompted to connect to Microsoft. Click Connect and follow the authorization prompts. You may be asked to sign in to your Microsoft 365 admin account and grant consent so Google can read the mailboxes. This is a secure server-to-server connection, and you can revoke it later if needed. After connecting, select the users whose data you want to migrate. You can pick users individually, or if available, upload a file to map multiple source accounts to their matching Google Workspace accounts. Make sure each destination user already exists in Google Workspace and has enough storage for the incoming mail. Double check that the source and destination addresses are mapped correctly to avoid sending messages to the wrong mailbox. Now, configure your migration settings. Choose what to bring over, such as email only, or include other supported data if the option appears. Set a date range to limit the migration to recent mail, which can speed things up, and consider excluding junk or deleted items to keep mailboxes clean. If you see options to handle duplicates or labels, pick the defaults unless you have a specific policy. When everything looks right, click Start Migration. The service will begin pulling data in the background. Large mailboxes can take hours or even days, and that's normal. You can monitor progress in the migration dashboard, pause or resume if necessary, and spot any accounts that need attention. Once a user shows as complete, sign into their Gmail to verify folders and messages appear as expected before you announce they're ready to go. That's it. You've kicked off a secure, reliable migration from Microsoft 365 to Google Workspace using the admin console.